Oh, what are you saying?
Hello, Daddy. How are you, Daddy?
Oh, you just talked to Daddy?
Daddy!
Where's he at? What's Daddy doing? Did he talk to you? Right there?
Yeah.
But what's he doing?
Guess what? Byron is in front of the chair. Daddy, I have to crawl through my room.
You have to crawl through
behind the chair.
to get there?
Yeah. Or watch what way our way I'm doing.
What happened to my living room today?
Daddy!
I think 3 grandkids and a 10-year-old happened to it. That's okay.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Is he not answering you? Is he not answering you? It's a door?